In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to down slam in Project Smash Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to down slam in Project Smash, you will have to gain a lot of height and then melee while going down. As you can see, your character will do this animation where they stomp their feet to the ground, and this is how it looks once again. And you will land faster, and if there's anyone below you, they will take damage. Now, you don't have to jump from a very high place, you just have to make sure that you do at least 3 jumps, 1, 2, 3, and then you look down while pressing melee. If you look slightly up, your character will do the uppercut instead, and as you can see that time, I was able to get the down slam. So all that you have to do is jump from somewhere high, or alternatively, if you don't want to, just make sure that you gain enough height. And then once you press the melee button, your character will stomp their feet to the ground and do a down slam. Now sadly, it is very hard for me to demonstrate this because there's a lot of people around, but if I'm able to hit someone with the down slam, they will take damage and my character will hit them. And this is all you have to do. You should be able to use this as any character available in Project Smash, and of course, you need to make sure that you are pointing down. If you point your camera up, or if you are doing it too early, your character will do the uppercut instead, so this is why it's very important that you try to aim this down and while falling, and as long as you are able to time it that way, you will be able to perform the down slam in Project Smash. As you can see, I actually got one. So I performed the down slam and the person got stunned. And this is all you have to do. Just jump over them, do 3 jumps usually, to guarantee that you will be able to get the down slam, and as long as you do it this way, you will be able to damage your opponents with a down slam. You can chain it into other combos even though it is difficult, but essentially this is all you have to do. So jump 3 times or jump from a high place and then press the melee button. Of course, this also works on PC, but for this video I'm gonna be focusing on mobile. I hope I was able to help you on how to down slam in Project Smash Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.